in Alberta and you're wondering what to do for the next few days for fun and for relaxation, you need not look further because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you about K-Days activities. K-Days is an annual historical event that happens every year in Edmonton. And stick around with me to the end of this video because I will be showing you how you can gain free admission into K-Days 2023. Hi, my name is Joy at Joy Phoebe Omuka. I'm an entrepreneur and a content creator. If we are meeting for the first time, welcome. I will appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. K-Days. K-Days is a historical annual event that is dated back to 130 years ago. The activities and experiences at K-Days have evolved over time. However, the K-Days organizers have expanded its focus, and now it has blended modern innovation with historical tributes. So now I'm going to take you to K-Days website so we can check this out for ourselves. That way we can see all the amazing experiences that have been lined up at this year's K-Days. Now, this is K-Days official website, and you can get to K-Days official website by putting kdays.com on your browser, or you can simply type K-Days 2023, and it will bring you the very first option at the top will be the K-Days official website. Here you will be able to navigate through each of the tabs to see what the organizers have lined up for us at this year's K-Days. The first place you want to first check out is what to see and do. Here you get to see the different obstacle courses that have been lined up for this year. You get to see, the different experiences. The part that I love so much is the concert because this year the organizers have lined up amazing, performances for the concert, like Elijah Wood performs on July 21st. And then we have 3 days grace for July 22nd. Every day, they are amazing artists performing all through July 30th. So you want to check all this out so you can plan your trip and the time you want to dedicate to each of these experiences. And over here, there are experiences for kids and families. See, then you can also check under the Plan Your Trip tab, General Information tab, Get Involved tab, and if you click on each of these, you get to see how you can get this. It is easily accessible. It's done at Edmonton Expo Center. Okay, and by the way, the timing for K-Days is from noon to midnight. However, admission ends at 11 p.m. Okay, so you want to put that into consideration when you are going, especially those that want to go in the night for the fireworks. All right, and then how you can get involved, and also the ticket, how you can get paid tickets. The food. Oh my goodness, the food. Ah, amazing food. See, all these are ticketed activities. These are the prices for the tickets. Yeah, so check this out on the K-Days website. And then right now I'm going to take you to where I will show you how you can get free admission into K-Days. I'm sure a lot of us can't wait to see that, and I won't keep you waiting any longer. Now, this information is on Edmonton for Family website. Now, these are the 4 ways you can get free admission to K-Days 2023. The first one is if you have TELUS World of Science annual membership. If you have this, then you can get free admission into K-Days. However, note that you can only get that free admission on July 23rd. Okay, very important. 2023. And then the second way you can get free admission to KDays is by showing your Edmonton Public Library membership card. So again, that gives you free admission also on July 23rd. Now, the third way you can get free admission into KDays is by entering into KDays competition. All right. The competition is open and you can get all the details by clicking here. I'm not going to go into that details because I don't want this video to be long. I just want it to be quick, concise, and very short. And the last but not the least way you can get free admission into KDays is by joining the summer reading program at Edmonton Public Library. So if you join the summer reading program at Edmonton Public Library, then your onboarding package will have KDays free admission in it. Then you have it, just a brief information about KDays and also a pointer pointing you in the direction of where you can get detailed information to plan your trip and also map out the activities and experiences you want to explore at KDays. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.